welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this blow dryer. It is by this brand right here. It is a high-speed blow dryer. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So let's open it up. I love the packaging of this. Look how sleek looking it is. Very cute. You pull this up and you have your little blow dryer. I did get the color green, and it tells you how to use it, like over here on the side. It comes with a little user manual that tells you how to use it, and it comes with a little brush on the back side if you want to clean it out. Then you have your blow dryer itself. I do like the fact that this does fold up, which is awesome. So let me go ahead and take this out. So that is what the blow dryer looks like, and you just rotate it like that. Look how stinking pretty this is. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry I look a little weird right now. I have no mascara or anything on because I want to put some lash extensions on, but I wanted to do my hair first. So that's why I look a little crazy. It does come with a carrying bag that you can store your blow dryer in if you want to take it when you travel, which is really nice. And then it does come with two different nozzles. Let me go ahead and set this back here for now. So it comes with a little wider one and a more narrow one. And they are magnetic, as you can see. They just slip right in. So very nice. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take all these little plastic things off. And then we're going to figure out how to use it. And I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair with it. I do like the cord, that the cord does have this little Velcro thing. So when you're not using it, you can bunch up the cord. Let me go ahead and plug this in. So I have it plugged in and everything. I'm going to try the wider one. No, I'm going to try this one right here because this is like standard what I would normally use. So let's try this one first. Now it does have your on button right there. It has your hot to cold. So depending on what you want, right here. That's cold, that's hot. And then you have your temperatures right here on this bottom button. It goes from low, medium, high, and cold. It says lights off. So when it's on cold, the light's off. And then you have low, medium, and high temperature. Now the speed is up here, and you have high, middle, and low. So I'm going to put it on high heat and high speed, and I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. I like the fact that you can take this off as well. Let me go ahead and pull it off. And you can take the back off and clean it out with that little brush that it came with when you need to. It does have a filter as well. And to do that, you actually just kind of push right here and push, and it'll come right off. And then when you're done, just snap it right back. So you just push right here. You can see it opens. So let me go ahead and start blow drying my hair. That is what my hair looks like, completely dried out. It gave it a lot of volume. It'll kind of calm down a little bit, but as you can see, that is what it looks like. Super, super pretty. It dried it amazing. My hair looks nice and silky and just very voluminous. It is still a little wet right here. I must have missed a spot. So I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Now, when you do turn it on and off, it does take a second to turn off. I'll show you. So I'm going to push this up. It's on, and I put it down. So it does take like a second or two to turn off. So just to let you know, but it worked really great. The heat on this is really good. It has a really high airflow, which helps dry your hair quicker. And if you want to set curls and stuff, like if I really wanted to set this to make sure that it stays, I could use the hot air and then the cold air, but I think that it looks amazing. So yes, 10 out of 10. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.